How to read a publication in PressReader. Open the PressReader app. Start browsing for the publication you like to read. After browsing, tap on the publication that you like to read. Tap on the cover or tap Read. Tap OK. Swipe towards the left to browse the magazine. Tap on the article that you are interested to read. Alternatively, after you have tapped to read your preferred publication, and you'll find smaller images at the bottom. Tap on any of the smaller images to read. Alternatively, tap on the image on the top right. You'll be directed to the contents page. Tap on the article you like to read. Alternatively, tap on the image on the bottom right. Swipe up to select the article you like to read. Tap on the article you like to read.